will arrange the numbers in descending order. Let's read the number first. 367, 419, 941, 276, 637. Now in descending order, as I have told you, we arrange the numbers from greatest value to smallest value. Which is the greatest number here? Look at the hundreds place. Which digit in the hundreds place is the greatest? 3, 4, 9, 2, 6. Yes, 9. So the number 941 is the greatest number. Let us write 941 in the first cloud. Now we have 367, 419, 276 and 637. Look at the hundreds place and find out the greatest number in these numbers. Which digit is the greatest in hundreds place? Yes, 6. So the number 637 is greatest in these numbers. We will write 637 after 941. Now we have three numbers: 367, 419, 276. Look at the hundreds place. Which is the greatest? Yes, 419. So let's write 419 after 637. Now we have two numbers left: 367, 276. Which number is greatest? I know you can find very easily. Yes, 367. Let us write 367 after 419. At last we have left the smallest number, that is 276. Let us write in the last. Now we have arranged the numbers in descending order, as 941 is the greatest value here and 276 is the smallest value. Now you will do one more example. Let us read the numbers first. 210, 120, 220, 202, 122. We have arranged the numbers in descending order.
Students, now we will arrange the number descending order. Now I read the number first. 723, 159, 621, 395, 128. Now, in the descending order, I told you where is the number greatest value to smallest value. Means greatest number to smallest number. Which is the greatest number here? Look at the number 100 place. Which digit in the 100 place is the greatest? 7, 1, 6, 3, 1. Which digit? 7. 723 is the greatest value. The first number is 723. Is the greatest number. Now we have 159, 621, 395, 128. Look at the 100 place. We found out the next number. 1, 6, 3, 1. So here is the greatest value 6. So next number is 621. Which digit the greatest in the 100 place next? 1, 3, 1. So here is the greatest value 3. 395. Then left two numbers 159 and 128. So 100 place is same here. Then look at the tens place. 5 or 2. So which digit is the greatest number in tens place? 5. So here is the next number is 159. Then left one number 128. So here is the greatest number is 723 and the smallest number is 128. So understood student, ascending and descending order? Okay, got it. Now solve the exercise 8. Rewrite the numbers in ascending order. A. I read the first numbers. 100, 700, 600, 300, 900. Very simple student. Here is look at only 100 place. Which digit is the smallest digit? 2, 7, 6, 3, 9. Which is the smallest digit? 2. So here is the smallest number is 200. Then 4 number left 700, 600, 300, 900. So here is after 200 the number is 300. The smallest number is 300. Then 700, 600, 900. So smallest number is 600. And then two numbers left here 700 and 900. So smallest number is 700. And then last left number is 900. Okay, got it student? Example B. Read the number 175, 427, 529, 618, 243. So, look at the 100 place first. 1, 4, 5, 6, 2. Which number is the smallest number? 1. 175 is the smallest number. Then 2. 243 is the smallest number. Then 427 is the smallest number. And then 529 is the smallest number. And then 618 is the smallest number. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 is a 100 place ascending order. Very simple student. Okay, next. Second question. Rewrite the numbers in descending order. A. I read the first number 627, 529, 450, 890 and 725. So, descending order in the biggest number to smallest number. So, greatest number, which of the greatest number? 627, 529, 450, 819, 725. So here is 6, 5, 4, 8, 7 is a 100 place. So the greatest number is 8. 819 is the greatest number. Then next greatest number is 7. 725. Then greatest number is 627. And then two numbers left, 5 or 4. 529, 450. So 529 is the greatest number, and then 450. So here is the greatest number is 890 and the smallest number is 450. So 819, 725, 627, 529 and 450 is a descending order. B. 560, 550, 580, 590, 510. All 100 places same here. 5. Then next, look at the tens place. 6, 5, 8, 9, 1. So greatest number is 9. So here is the greatest value is 590. Next, the greatest value is in tens place 8. So greater number is 580. Then look at the greatest value in tens place 651. So here is the greater number is 560. Then 550 and then 510. It's a very simple, students. Got it? Third question. Circle the largest number. 197, 719, 970 and 791. Which of the largest number? Look at the 100 place. So 1797. So here is the greatest number is 9. So largest number is 970. B. Circle the smallest number. 300, 700, 900, 500. So very simple, student. The smallest number is 300. Okay, got it, student? Okay, understood, student. Exercise 8. Solve in your exercise 8. Solve in your textbook and also notebook. Okay. Student, thank you.